are going to exchange the knife head. This is uninstall the vibration beveling head. Here is a screw. We firstly lose it. Engineer rotary it by the A. Press A, put the rotary the head. After rotary, find another screw hole and release this screw hole also. Then we're going to release it out. Okay, this head is out. This is the beveling head is uninstalled. This knife we used is blade length 75 and the knife length is 82. This is a slot and here is a screw. It's fixed by that position. Okay, push it in, it will be sealed and fix it with a screw, so it won't lose. Okay, this knife we finished the test. We put it away. And we're going to take it out another head. Engineer put it here. This is the press roller.